What is the one thing we all love and look forward to, irrespective of age and gender? What is that one thing for which we always say, just another 5 minutes? And what is that one thing that is so important for our mental, emotional and physical well-being? You guessed it right, a good night's sleep, of course. All of us want to curl into our favorite beds, hug our favorite pillows and just slip into blissful sleep. And I'm going to tell you how we can enjoy that process even more. Let me introduce you to Sleepycat, India's first mattress in a box with gel technology. You would have probably seen Sleepycat's mattress in this video. Recently, the woodwork in our daughter's room was completed and we were in need of another mattress. Since this is a Trundle bed, I have shifted the old Sleepycat mattress in here, and this 8 inches premium mattress is for the upper bed. The best part of this mattress is that it comes with an unique gel memory foam. Gel memory foam? Are you wondering what on earth that is? Well, here are the answers. Gel memory foam distributes your body weight evenly. This means there is proper spinal alignment, faster recovery from physical injuries, and lesser chances of sleeping in poor postures that could cause aches and pains later in the day. The gel layer also significantly cuts down the heat generated by the memory foam. And mommies with young kids, here are some news that will be music to your ears. Gel memory foam ensures no motion transfer, which means your little one can do a few jumping jacks on one end of the bed while you sit with a glass of water or a cup of tea on the other. And the glass or cup won't topple. How's that? I'm sharing few key points about it. The mattress comes with a high density base layer, so no worries on durability or structure of the mattress. A special knitted inner cover and ultra premium handcrafted zipper cover are additional pluses. They offer 10 years warranty, free shipping anywhere in India. Another bonus, their mattresses are 100% made in India. A 30-day free trial, just try it out. And if you are not satisfied, they will take it back. No questions asked. It's a big win-win for customers like us. Don't you think? I can almost hear you say, that's nice. But as I always say, choice should be yours. A well-slept me is a refreshed me. To make more and more content for you, let me know in the comment section what good sleep means to you. Good night.